Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful and pretty pattern. See, this is very new and unique pattern. You can use this pattern in your lady sweater, cardigan, shawl, scarf as well. See, this is how it looks like. See, it looks so pretty. Wrong side looks like this. See, so this is 14 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 23 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 and plus 1 extra stitch 21 and 2 edge stitch 23. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and purl all stitches. Row 3, for row 3 knit all stitches. Row 4 purl all stitches. Row 5 knit all stitches. Row 6 purl all. Row 6 purl all stitches. Row 7 your edge stitch, slip knitwise and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, knit 2 together, knit 3, knit 2 together, and then yarn over and draw a loop from the third hole, from this stitch, third hole, 1 2 3. See, 1 2 3. From this hole draw loop like so, knit 1 and draw another loop like so, and then yarn over SSK, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop, SSK and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, draw loop, knit 1, draw loop, yarn over, SSK and knit 2. Repeat that again. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 2 together, yarn over, draw loop, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. From the third hole draw loop, knit 1, draw loop and yarn over, SSK and knit 2, 1 2. Your last 2 stitches, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8. For row 8, slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2, 1 2, purl 2, SSP means slip 1, knit twice, is like SSK on the right side, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and purl these two together through the back loop, just like SSK through the back loop, right? That's the SSP. On the right side your SSP looks like this, see, and after SSP purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 5 and purl 2 together and purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2, 1 2, SSP, and then purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, purl 2 together, purl 1. Repeat that again. Purl 2, SSP, slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice and purl these two together through the back loop, SSP, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, purl 5, purl 2 together here, purl 2 together and then purl 1. So we have done here 2 repeats, and after you finish all the repeats, for a last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 9. For row 9, slip your edge stitch and knit, start the repeat from here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, and one more time, knit 2 together, yarn over, right? Knit 2 together, yarn over 2 times, and then here knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, yarn over, SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1 and knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over 1, knit 2 together, yarn over 2, and here knit 1, and after knit 1, yarn over SSK 2 times, yarn over SSK 1, yarn over SSK 2. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over 2 times, knit 2 together, yarn over 1, knit 2 together, yarn over 2, and then knit 1, yarn over SSK 2 times, yarn over SSK 1, yarn over SSK 2, and your last 2 stitches knit 1 and edge stitch knit. Row 10 purl all stitches. Row 11. For row 11, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2 together and yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, and we're gonna start the repeat from here after knit 2 together. So for repeat pattern, yarn over, knit 2 together, and for these 3, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, and yarn over, and after yarn over SSK, yarn over, and SK2P. SK2P means for these 3 we're going to do SK2P. SK2P means slip 1 knit twice and knit these 2 together and pass this 1 stitch over this 2. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over SSK, yarn over SK2P. This is the repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over SSK, and for a last repeat you will you will do SSK instead of SK2P, right? Here we did SK2P, and for a last repeat you will do SSK, right? So yarn over SSK and then yarn over SSK, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 12, purl all stitches. Row 13, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, and for these 3, yarn over S2KP. S2KP means slip 2 together, knit twice and knit the next 1 stitch and pass this 2 stitch over this 1. S2KP, right? And then yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn over S2KP, yarn over, and knit 3. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn over S2KP, yarn over, and then knit 3, 1 2 and 3. Your last 2 stitches, knit 1, edge stitch, and knit. Row 14, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat these 14 rows, row 1 to row 14, over and over again, until you reach your desired length. See. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.